Straight Arm Lat Pulldown. The main muscles used are the back, triceps, and rear delts. To perform this exercise correctly, stand far enough back so that the cable has tension throughout the entire movement. Pushing your hips back and hinging at your waist, raise your arms out in front of you, keeping them straight. Pull your hands down by your side, keeping a neutral spine and your core engaged throughout the entire movement. Raise your arms back up to starting position. Avoid arching your back. Avoid rounding your back. Avoid using too much tricep instead of your lats to pull the bar down. And avoid standing upright.